your respect, they got reason for me. I'm not a bitch from the gram. Ooh, isn't he saucy?
Hey guys, good morning. It's Vlogmas day, whatever. 'Cause I lost count. Looking like a hot mess, feeling like a hot mess. So yeah, just come with me and watch my day. Hey guys, room definitely looks a mess, but I just came back from Five Below. And yeah, I always shop at Five Below. Like, I don't give a fuck. It's $5. So like, I prefer to spend my little $5 and get my graphic tees for $5 than to go to H&M, Urban Outfitters, JCPenney's and get a graphic t-shirt for $20 to $40. Like, I gotta be kidding me. So peep the fits. My room is dirty, so don't even come for me. And my lens is so dirty. Okay, so this is the first shirt. It's an MTV. Oh my god. It is so cute. This is my what the fuck? I can't talk. This is my MTV shirt and my little cool bag. I feel like that's definitely a vibe. Nobody cannot tell me that this purse in this shirt is not a vibe. Okay, so let's go to the next shirt. I didn't get too much because I literally just came back from Five Below like 2 days ago and I brought graphic tees. So I'm not even trying to go ham, but I low-key already did go ham. And then I got this Aaliyah shirt. Definitely in love. Definitely in love. And of course, my little bag. I feel like this is definitely a vibe. Futuristic. That's what it's giving. It's giving vintage, futuristic. This one, same here, vintage. It's just giving. Both is just period. Okay? I don't like this. All right, guys. Hey, y'all. Yeah, I've been skipping out a few days of Vlogmas. I don't know how people do it. Yeah, been through some traumatic shit, but I'm back. I'm back like a motherfucking bad habit, bitch. But yeah, I'm back. I just finished doing like a quick face. I should have recorded it, but honestly, like, I hate doing my makeup on camera because it's like, oh, I gotta make sure I'm in the perfect angle. I gotta make sure that the camera's getting everything. I gotta position the camera, worry about my hands getting cut off, or about products getting cut off. It's annoying. You just gotta focus, really focus, and try your best to stay in the camera. Like, look at me right now. Like, the mirror is all the way, like, up here. But I have to stay, like, down here so you guys can catch me doing my makeup. But, yeah. It's annoying, but... I don't usually bake. I don't usually bake my contour, but I guess want to try something new, so I baked it a little bit because I hate baking my contour because then you can see the white line. But I peep, like, if you don't put too much, then you'll be fine and it'll still come out looking flawless. Like, I didn't put too much and I still feel like it looks good. You don't see like an OD white cast. Like, this stuff will leave a stain on your face. Laura Mercer translucent setting powder, yeah, that will leave a mark on your face. And I don't know why I used to call it Laura Mercier. Like, I don't know, like, I heard a YouTuber pronounce it like that, so I just automatically was like, okay, Laura Mercier. But it's actually not. It's Laura Mercer. So yeah, I don't know what the fuck, but I've been pronouncing it Mercier like that for years, so whatever, I'm not gonna change it now. But yeah, she has the best setting powder on the market. It's a good investment. So yeah, I'm just bullshitting on the camera because yeah, I need another vlog for Vlogmas. But today I'm pulling a lot of weed because it's like the game of chance, like the game of huh? Yeah. Niggas wanna have it. Cause the first 48, I'ma raise havoc. Want me back already, let it happen. Someone got me 3 times and I started rapping. To the mic, never got a tap in. I knew it was a hot song, hey to stop laughing. I'm the type to never fall back. Call me Big Sean, bitch queen, I bounce back. He like it cause I'm nasty. In the kitchen in the backseat. On the way to Freeport, you gotta tap me. None of you chicks can out-rap me. Call him Laffy Taffy cause it's funny, old as crap. Coming from the cash for chicks trying to ruin me. Know my character, so you never get through to me. Say I never want it back. Have a solid character, and that's a fact. My mama don't like the fact that I rap. Sorry, my mistake, had to catch my back on. I had to cap. Many may not like the fact that I rap. If I like an outlet, where would I be at? Trying to make an impact, put LI on the map. Yeah, I'm at the mall. I'm finally somewhere, so I'm vlogging now because I'm somewhere. But yeah, I'm returning a present. Don't look at my double chin, I hate it. But yeah, I'm finally out and about, and I get to record. So I don't know where the line's at. I'm at Macy's. I swear it's not Christmas until you come to Macy's. All right, y'all, so it's Christmas Eve. And I'm gonna be opening up 2 gifts. 2 gifts today. Yeah, it was crazy today. I went to the mall, last minute shopping, whatever. Man, people don't know how to drive. People just walking wherever. I was just over today before it even started. Thumbnail.
Hey, Mom. You slept in a room with Bill? Why would you do that? Now look, now you're just as sick as him, so that didn't make no sense. You know damn well you weren't supposed to sleep in a room with Bill.
Honestly, I don't know where you got this gift wrap from.
It's not
all them different rooms I got in.
Oh, this shoes?
Well, you gotta get.
I'm nervous.
Drink a lot of thorough food.
I'm nervous.
Eat a lot of food.
Oh my God, you got them. Wait, I gotta see if I can fit them. Right. Wait. She got my shoes, y'all. She got my shoes.
I dropped something. She's sick as a dog.
Oh my God. They smell so good.
What is that?
Oh my God, these are so cute.
Coach boots.
The what boots? Let me see.
Oh
that's why she mad hype. Oh yeah, them shits look cute too.
Yeah.
Better than
they smell mad good.
Better than those unicorn things.
What? Do not be coming for my shoes.
No, you coming for me.
The unicorn.
No, these are mad dope. Like I can't wait to wear this with my trench coat and my glasses. I'll be back.
Why don't you try them?
I need my socks. I don't
It's so crazy because I was looking at them keep the same damn thing and she put it on the list. These are not them both.
Different colors. Oh, so?
Yeah, these are mad. Well, I picked Granny out this necklace, right? And that lady says $214. I was like, ooh, not for me. I was like, Macy's, I go.
Yeah, I was surprised how expensive necklaces was too.
For real, and I went to the Macy's at the mall, Bayshore Mall, mad expensive. So I went to the Macy's.
So you know you're recording, right?
Yeah. So I went to the Macy's and Sunrise. Oh, these is tight.
It can't be. That's a size 9. They too tight?
I think it's because it's brand new. The way that they're made. I forgot what I previously recorded, but same day. This is the day before Christmas. December 24th. This whole vlog is all over the place because I've literally recorded some days and then never posted the vlog because the video wasn't long enough. So I just kept it in the vault. And it's the same thing. So yeah, same BS. It's a different day. 24th. Happy Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve. I hope everybody gets everything that they want. I hope that everybody reconciles with their family if they haven't before the new year, so you can start off with a fresh start. I hope that everybody gets everything they wanted. I hope that everybody's doing okay mentally, physically, and emotionally. And I'm just hoping for overall good health for everyone watching this video. Congrats to my girl Megan Thee Stallion because she did receive justice. She received peace. I'm really happy for her. I was connected with the case because I was going through something personal around the same time that she got shot. So, and it's kind of similar. So that's how I felt connected with the case. But congrats to all. I'm currently taking the shit. So I think I'm gonna cut off this vlog right here and then post tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.